A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is everything happens for a reason. Throughout history, humanity has grappled with life's unpredictability, questioning the meaning of triumphs and tragedies alike. The philosophy that everything happens for a reason offers a lens through which challenges become opportunities for transformation and growth. This timeless belief, reflected in ancient wisdom across cultures, encourages trust in the hidden order of life's events, even when they seem harsh or inexplicable in the moment. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna advises Arjuna to perform his duties without attachment to outcomes. This teaching highlights the profound truth that life is a dynamic journey of experience and growth. Every event, whether triumphant or difficult, is a step towards self-realization. Even setbacks, when seen through the lens of higher purpose, guide individuals towards inner strength and resilience. Consider the story of a squirrel in the Ramayana. When Lord Rama sought to build a bridge to Lanka, a small squirrel tirelessly carried grains of sand to aid the construction. In a grand effort led by mighty warriors, the squirrel's contribution seemed insignificant. Yet Lord Rama recognized the squirrel's dedication and blessed it, affirming that no effort aligned with purpose is ever wasted. Ultimately, this bridge enabled the defeat of evil and established Ram Rajya, a model of governance symbolizing justice, prosperity, and peace. This story teaches that even the smallest actions can play pivotal roles in life's unfolding design. Similarly, the life of King Harishchandra demonstrates unyielding adherence to truth and duty despite severe trials. Stepped off his throne and wealth, he faced unimaginable suffering, yet refused to compromise his principles. Ultimately, his steadfastness moved the gods to intervene, restoring his kingdom, honor, and prosperity. His story serves as a testament to the transformative power of faith, integrity, and trust in life's higher design. A reminder that even the darkest trials can lead to profound redemption. Modern experiences also reflect this truth. Scientific discoveries often emerge after repeated failures, each misstep refining the path to success. Personal losses can reveal strengths previously hidden. In every challenge lies the potential for evolution if one is willing to trust the process and embrace the lessons embedded within. What's the way forward? Embracing the philosophy that everything happens for a reason requires trust in the unseen. It calls for cultivating patience during hardship and gratitude in moments of joy. Instead of resisting life's challenges, viewing them as opportunities for growth enables profound transformation. This perspective doesn't diminish pain or struggle but offers hope and clarity, revealing life's deeper purpose over time. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the belief that life's events, however random or painful they may seem, are part of a higher design is a source of immense hope. Like the darkest night yielding to the certainty of dawn, every soul is constantly being reborn, ready to rise anew with fresh hope and faith in life's boundless possibilities. Just as the sun rises without fail, every challenge becomes a stepping stone for growth, clarity, and self-discovery. Trust that every experience, whether joyful or difficult, is part of life's intricate tapestry. It is through this trust that one finds strength, purpose, and a life lived with greater peace and fulfillment. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.